peeps, this your boy Cincinnati Clad King. I am sitting on my front porch and I want to talk to you about the Fimi X8 SE drone, which is one of my favorite drones I ever owned. I really love this drone. It flies well, it handles well. The battery life is really super, much more than a lot of the other drones. You're getting up to 25, 28 minutes flight time on this drone. It is one super drone. I have seen several videos and some people call this a beginner's drone, and they call it that just because of the price of the drone. You can get this drone in different places from anywhere from $350 up to $500. On eBay, you're seeing some of the prices a little bit higher than that now, but that is the only reason why they call it a beginner's drone, because of the price. It is very reasonably priced for what it does, but it's not a beginner's drone. This is a super nice drone, consumer drone, that it flies just absolutely great. There's one video I watched, and guys, some guy that commented on this video said, but he has some issues with the precision landing function. This drone has what they call a precision landing. Wherever you take off from, it's supposed to land back in the spot. That's if you have a landing pad that it can recognize underneath. Well, I done some tests on there, and I'll put the link in the video below. That it's off a couple of feet, but you know what? If that's a deal breaker from somebody, they don't want this drone in the beginning. If that's a deal breaker, all you're concerned about is when you launch your drone, does it come back to you when you return to home, when it returns to home, and you land it. I don't think 1 or 2 feet off is a deal breaker. Also, a lot of people said, well, you need to be on concrete or pavement when you do that test to see if it goes back to its original spot or the landing pad. And I'm going to be doing that in a future video. If that's the only problem, and this guy doesn't want to buy this drone because it's a foot or 2 off, even if it says precision landing, that is pretty weak, I think. This guy doesn't want this drone in the first place if that's what's a deal breaker for him. Yes, the drone doesn't have optical avoidance, but again, most of us is flying our drone 200, 300, 400 feet in the air. Well, you don't need optical avoidance. You should not be flying your drone low enough where you're potentially going to hit something anyway. I know there's cases that everybody loves to get that great shot of your drone flying through some areas, and it is nice to have the optical avoidance so your drone won't hit. This drone handles very well. I have taken this drone out probably about 5 or 6 times now, and I'm telling you, it is absolutely great to fly. It is one of the best drones I ever flown as far as control-wise. It does a great job. So really you can tell that I can't say enough about this drone and how much I really love this drone. It is great. I purchased a case for it, and really you can fit 3 batteries in here. I have 2 batteries. I have one on the drone, one here, but there's another slot for another battery here. So this little $20 case I got on eBay, everything is made for it. Here's the controller. The drone fits in here, and again 3 batteries, and then I put all my little extra stuff up in this pouch here, extra blades, windsurfer, cords and stuff like that up in here. The only thing I don't have in here is the charger, but again, I don't carry my charger around with me unless I'm really going on a trip somewhere and I'm not going to be at home, my home, to charge it up, so I'm taking the charger with me. But again, if I'm leaving the house and taking the drone out, I don't need that charger. I am not going to charge up batteries in my car. I know a lot of drones have these car adapters, but you know, these batteries can explode, and I don't want this battery to be in my car if it ever does explode. Very rare, but it can happen. So guys, I guess everything I'm saying here, this is a drone that you really want to look into. And I'm not going to go and give you all of things that it does. It does everything that any other drone does. And we're talking about the DJI Maverick, the Maverick Pro, the Maverick Air. It does all that. The Evo, it does everything. The only difference is this drone doesn't have optical avoidance, but it has a lot of functions and features that these higher end drones have. So those drones are going from $799 all the way up to a little bit over $1,000, and this drone consistently you can get under $500. All right, guys, just wanted to talk to you about this drone for a few minutes and let you know how I feel about this drone. And I will be bringing you more videos. I'm gonna label this video video blog 197. This is my 197 video that I'm posting, and going forward I'm going to continue that blog number as far as listing that what video that you're watching at that point. All right, guys, glad that you came along. Please subscribe to my channel. Trying to get up to 1,000 viewers, or actually 1,000 people subscribe to my channel. I like to get up to that number so YouTube can start paying me for my videos. Hopefully I'm putting out quality videos and you guys like that. And if you do like it, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so and give me a thumbs up. Guys, I really appreciate you, and thanks for watching.